Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the flag icon next to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And here you can select another language, for example, Deutsch, Italiano, and more. And just select a language and step on it. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.